What's up, superstars? Here's a video to go over what you're working on today. You have task 1 and task 2, and then entering that into your portfolio. So remember, this was what we started yesterday, working on getting organized. You have 2 tasks to help you feel successful. The first one goes through creating organizational systems. And if you scroll to slide 10, this is where task 1 is. And then the next part is organizing your drive. So still on that organizing, managing ourselves theme. And if you scroll to slide 17, it is where task 2 is. So you are working on task 1 and task 2. And then you are entering your organization work into your portfolio. The example portfolios are updated. So if you open the Google Slides and scroll all the way down to my slide 19 in the example, here's a template. You only need to enter 1. So pick either task or either thing. The choice is yours, task 1 or task 2, but one of them needs to be in there. The example that I used was from task 1. That is what you are doing. You're doing it all in this Get Organized slideshow. You can do it. I have faith in you. Have a great day.